A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Past paper MCQ series part 6. Mars appears red because of presence of the following compound on its surface. Side. Mars appears red due to iron oxide, which was the first opposition party in Pakistan. Azad Pakistan Party was the first opposition party in Pakistan Assembly. Biosensor is used to measure glucose level. Biosensor is mostly used to measure blood glucose level. Who introduced tax system in India? James Wilson introduced the tax system in India. Which among the following is called caustic soda? Hydroxide is called caustic soda. Which country is the largest producer of uranium? Kazakhstan is the largest producer of uranium. The capital of Lebanon is Beirut. Which separate the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman? Hormuz separate the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. What is dry ice? Carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. World Cancer Day is observed every year on 4th Feb. 4th Feb is the World Cancer Day. Who initiated the hunger strike in India? Mahatma Gandhi initiated the hunger strike in India. Who started the Khilafat movement? Maulana Shaukat Muhammad Ali started the Khilafat movement. At the time of atomic blast, 28 May 1998, the Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army was General Karamat. General Jahangir Karamat is Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army when Pakistan fired the atomic blast in Chagi. Which country made first submarine? Dutch was the first country who made the first submarine. Who was the first Chief Minister of KPK Pakistan? Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah was the first Chief Minister of KPK. Who was Allama Iqbal given the title of Sir? George V of Britain gave the Allama Iqbal title of Sir. Katas Raj temples are located in Chakwal, Punjab. Katas Raj temples are located in Kalar Kahar, Chakwal, Punjab. Who was the father of history? Is the father of history. Which is the major greenhouse gases emitting country? China is the major greenhouse gases emitting country. Sunset Beach is located in which country? Hawaii. Sunset Beach is located in Hawaii. What is the unit of coefficient of friction? Unit of coefficient of friction is no, because it is a comparison value. It is a ratio value. Who gave the theory of black hole? Schwarzschild gave the theory of black hole. Who originally developed internet? And Robert Cohn developed the internet. The following is hottest star color. Blue is the hottest star color, then white, then yellow, then orange and red. The name of first Pakistani aircraft is Thunder. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.